Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial. We are making Arduino blinking project and LED blinking project in this tutorial. You want a breadboard, jumper wires, LED and Arduino. You want to connect this long pin to Arduino pin 13 and you want to connect this short pin to Arduino ground. I will show you this breadboard connections. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to MICROROBT. This color line shows how this breadboard is connected. I think you can get a clear understanding from this picture. Then we'll go to coding section. Open Arduino. Then in void setup, you want to define the device is an output or an input device. Type pin, M in capital M, pinMode. I am connecting the LED in digital pin 30. Then type 13, comma, in capital letters type output. LED is an output device. Don't forget to add semicolon. In void loop, you want to add the function. I am connecting the LED in digital pin, so type digital. For output devices, type write, W in capital. Then define the pin 13. Then type high to on the LED. Then add semicolon. Add delay. Delay means an interval. 1000 means 1 second. Then this program will perform for 1 second. After the delay, after 1 second, the next program will be performed. Then type digital right pin 13 and type low to off the LED. Then add another delay. After this delay, this function will be repeated because we wrote the program in loop. Okay, if you want to increase or decrease the blinking speed of the LED, change the delay. Then upload the code. First verify the code. You can save this file with your wish. I am saving this file in my Arduino file. Okay, the compiling is done completely. Okay, then we will upload the code. Guys, then connect your Arduino to laptop. After connecting your Arduino to laptop, go to Tools, go to Ports and select what port you want to connect. my Arduino is shooting for COM21, so I select COM21. Okay, then upload the code. Okay, the code uploaded successfully. Then go to wiring section. Okay guys, after uploading the code, disconnect the Arduino from the computer. Then take a breadboard, a LED, and connect the long pin in this column and the short pin in this row. Okay, then connect this pin in the row that you connect the short pin and connect to ground to Arduino. There are so many grounds, but I am selecting this ground. Then connect another jumper wire to the row. To the column you connect the long pin and connect the another side to Arduino pin, digital pin 13. Pin 30. Okay, then connect the Arduino to computer for power. Okay, then you can see the LED is blinking with the interval of 1 second. Now you can see clearly that. Guys, if you want to increase the speed of the blinking speed of the LED, decrease the delay. The delay to 500 milliseconds. I am decreasing to 500 milliseconds. Decreasing this too. Okay. Then upload the code. Okay, the upload done correctly. Then go and see your Arduino. Okay guys, now you can see the blinking speed of the LED is increased. For adjusting the speed of the LED, adjust the delay. For doubts, contact my email. I add the email address in the description. Like, share and comment for this video. Subscribe to PinMode. Let's meet in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.